Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Datapatch. In this video we use pivot table to summarize the such type of data. If you have this of data, the data contains of 6 columns. First of all, if you look column C and column D, start date and time, in date and time. Both columns contains date and time. For data summarization, we need to separate date and time from both columns. For summarizing data using pivot table, you need to understand the data. If we apply filters on first column vehicle's name, you can see there are 10 type of vehicles in the columns. The filter option show you how much a number comes in the columns. So with the help of filter option, you can see only 10 type of vehicles are present in this column. Now if you look total rows in the data, there are too many. So how can it possible to summarize the data? Now if you uncheck select all options and check the first options, so it will show you the number comes how much time in the data. So it means we cannot summarize the data using filter option, because by applying filter option we cannot separate date and time. And also the another issue is that the vehicle names, because vehicle names are too many types. And if you look at the date is similar for both columns, because a vehicle has too many trips in single day. So it means that we need just the vehicle number in single row with their vehicle name and their starting time of first trip and the end type of first trip, I mean 7:23 a.m. as you seen in last row and 4:13 p.m. as you seen in first row and D columns, and their distance in some form and duration in some form. So it can only be possible if we applying pivot table. So stay with me till the end of the video. I will show how to summarize such type of data using pivot table. And don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. So our first step is to separate the date and times in both columns, column number C and column number D. For that we need to convert the data into table form and using for query method. So select all the data using shortcut control shift right arrow and down arrow. After selecting all the data, go to data tab and click on from table. The range will automatically select it. Click OK. The new query will be open, so it takes some time. For splitting the columns, go to the split option and select by delimiter. It takes some time. A new dialog box comes with the name of split column by delimiter. As you see the data from the left side, the first space comes from 2025. So use the space option and leftmost because the space comes from left side. Click OK. Similarly, select this next column and split columns by delimiter. Again the space comes, so select the space and leftmost delimiter. Click OK to continue. Now I didn't need the date column, remove the columns. If you continue the procedure, click on load and close as you see in the left side of the screen. So I remove the columns, click close and load. The data will be loaded and updated form. Now if you want to change the design of the table, so by clicking here you can change the design. Now if you look for further summarizations, we need to click on insert and click on pivot table. Click OK for new worksheet. New dialog box with the name pivot tables comes. Click on vehicle number and drop into the rows options. Similarly, click on start date and times and drop into the values options. Again, and also for the next two columns. So if you see in pivot table, the issue is that the terms comes into the count form. I mean the term cannot be seen in the proper time. As you see, the original data contains of time options, but in pivot tables the data comes in count form. So from here the values you can see, click on count option and value field setting and select minimum option because the data contained on AM and PM, and click on number format, select times and choose your format. Click OK to continue the procedure. You see that the data comes in proper format. Similarly for the next, I mean the in time, but here you select the maximum and go to number format, select time and choose the format. Click OK to continue the procedure. Again OK. As you see that the data comes in a proper format. Now if you don't need the grand totals, click on pivot tables, go to analyze and options, select options. From here select total and filters, uncheck these two options. Click OK to continue the procedures. So here comes the data in summarized form. Now the data comes in proper format. I mean the first trip start time and last trip in time. You can match the data with the previous data. If you want to change the column name, click on column and change the name from here, and also do for the end time. Now I want to calculate the total work, total hours or difference between these two hours, I mean start time and end time. So for that I use the formula. So first of all, type equal to text, select the end time minus start time, comma, select, choose the format and hours and minutes. So you can see the difference between these two hours or comes after little bit formatting. You can see your data comes into proper summarization form. Now for more summarizing the data, click on analyze, insert slicers, select the vehicle name, click OK. You see all the vehicle names or comes. For adjusting the slicers and single row, you need to convert into the columns. So I choose 6 columns because it comes in single row, so it's look better. After a little bit adjusting the slicers, if I click excavator machine, only excavator come. Click compactor, only compactors come. And also for all. Now if you want all these, click on clear filter, all data again comes. Like, share and subscribe for more tricks. Thank you.